Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Erin will be sharing 10 easy and cute nail designs. The best part about these nail designs is that you'll only need household items to create them.
Hey guys, it's Erin. I'm starting off by applying a base coat to all my nails. For this first nail, I'm going to be painting my nail black. And then one easy household item you can use to do nail art is actually a paper towel. If you don't have a makeup sponge or a nail art sponge to do gradients, you can use a paper towel to replace it. So I'm ripping off a piece of the paper towel and crumpling it up with tweezers. Then I'm painting a glitter polish onto the paper towel and just letting it absorb some of the base of the nail polish so the glitter is just left. And then I'm going to be doing a glitter gradient at the bottom of my nail. Finish off with a top coat. For this next nail, I'm starting off by just painting my whole nail with a red base. And then an important step to do here is make sure you apply a coat of top coat because you want this base color to be completely dry before you do anything else. So once that nail is completely dry, I'm taking just regular Scotch tape that you have around the house and I'm going to be applying a piece of that to my nail diagonally. Then take a matte top coat and paint over the exposed part of the nail. Peel off the tape as soon as you apply the matte top coat, making sure to not let it dry. Then as the matte top coat dries, watch as you have this cool split half and half glossy and matte nail. This next nail will need a white base to start, and then I'm just taking acrylic craft paint that I have around the house. And using a piece of tin foil as your palette, just put a little bit of the paint onto the tin foil and water it down with a few drops of water. Mix it together so you kind of have this watercolory paint. Then in random blobs, start applying that to your dry nail. And you can kind of swirl the colors together and build up the color for this really cool blotchy watercolor look. Once you're happy with your design, finish it off with a top coat. For this nail, I'm starting with a light purple base. And then I'm taking just regular dental floss, and this is kind of going to act as a piece of striping tape or a nail vinyl. I'm holding that taut over the center of my nail. You can hold it any direction you'd like, but I decided to do some color blocking. So I'm just painting over my nail with a blue nail polish and then just removing the floss while the nail polish is still wet. So now I have this cool half and half nail look, and I'm applying top coat to finish it off. For this next nail, I'm applying this kind of sage gray base. And then I'm taking this random old makeup brush that I have in my set. You can really use any kind of makeup brush you'd like as long as it's small, like an eyeliner brush or a small eyeshadow brush. Using the rounded end of this eyeshadow brush, I'm doing a kind of scalloped edge with a navy nail polish. Apply a top coat, and there you have easy nail art using just makeup brushes you have lying around. For this nail, I'm applying a light purple base again. Then I'm taking a bobby pin that I bent out of place so that the ends are a little bit easier to work with, and I'm using that as a dotting tool to create a purple leopard print on this nail. So going in with a medium purple to do some random different size dots. And then once those are dry, I'm taking a darker purple and I'm slightly outlining each of those dots, just again very messily. Fill in some of the empty spaces with some small dots of the darkest nail polish. Once your leopard print is done, apply a top coat. For this next design, I'm painting my nail white again. And then another super easy way to kind of hack a dotting tool out of an item you already have is using a mechanical pencil or even a ballpoint pen. I'm using the tiny end of that mechanical pencil and some pastel colors to create a dotted pattern all the way down my nail. And there you have nail art using your own very tiny dotting tool. And don't forget to apply top coat. This next nail has a mint green base. And then I'm taking another household item that you can use as a dotting tool. This is just a random pin that I had. You can use any pin or even a button that you have lying around. And I'm using that as a dotting tool to kind of create petals, 5 of them in a circle. And since this pin has a sharp end, I'm kind of able to create the petals to have a little bit of a point at the end by slightly dragging out the ends. I'm doing a few flowers across my nail and a few random petals on the sides. Then clean off that end and use a yellow nail polish to add centers to the flowers. Apply top coat and there you have an easy floral nail design just using a pin. For this design I'm painting my nail teal. And then again I'm taking this random makeup brush. Again, you can kind of use any size here and just use the other end of the brush. And I'm using that as a slightly larger dotting tool to create a bow at the end of my nail. You can kind of vary the size of the dots you create with this by either pressing harder or lighter to create smaller or larger dots. I'm starting with a dot in the center for the center of the bow, and then on each side kind of creating 2 dots right above each other and bringing them together towards the center dot to almost make a heart shape on each side. Finish with a top coat and there you have a super cute and easy bow just using a makeup brush as the dotting tool. This design is going to start off with a black nail polish. Then I'm taking my paper towel again that I'm using as a kind of nail art sponge, and I'm going in with a white nail polish diagonally over that black background. Layer a few other colors on top of this, like purple and teal. And then I'm taking my mechanical pencil dotting tool again, and I'm adding little varied size dots all over my nail for stars. You can even use the end of the mechanical pencil to kind of create a little cross shape as a larger star. Finish with a top coat and there you have really easy galaxy nails using just items you have in your house. And there are all 10 designs you can create using just items you have lying around in your home. We really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more from Cute Polish, you can click the boxes here to watch more videos, and you can click the circle here to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. You can also click the circle here to subscribe to my personal nail art channel.